Hello, everybody. Thanks for joining. We are ready to start. And during this web meeting, you will learn more about our software for quick and easy pipe stress analysis. We are going to provide you with live demonstration of START-PROF and tell you a little bit more about its advantages. And besides, those of you who will stay with us till the end of the webinar. And with this, I'm handing over the presenter's rights to Alex Matveev, who is the head of pipe stress analysis software development sector. Alex.
Hello, everyone. Thank you that you attend our webinar. I will tell you about pipe stress analysis software, START-PROF. Our main goal is to develop the easy and fast software, easy to learn software, and here you can see the list of main users of our software. We have about 3,000 companies who use our software, and it has a long history of development, more than 50 years. The first version was created in 1965 year. It was rewritten to different machines, mainframe, DOS, and then Windows. And we have implemented all the most frequently used codes for pipe stress analysis. It's ASME codes, European codes, Russian codes, and Chinese codes. And the code for fiberglass piping analysis. Some people ask us a question. If your software has so many users and has so long history, why we never heard about it? That's why we translate our software into English language just about 3 years ago. And we enter international market just in the past year. So we have powerful capabilities of integration with other software, like 3D modeling software, PDMS, Smart 3D, Plant 4D, and other software with stress analysis software like Scissor2, Autopipe. And START-PROF can read the PCF format files. You can import your model. Now let me show you the live demonstration of the software. Here is the START-PROF. Let's create the simple piping model. Here you can see several codes that we can choose. It's ASME codes, B411, B413, and other codes. It's Chinese codes, European code, other Chinese code, Russian codes, and fiberglass piping code. I will choose the most frequently used ASME B413 code. Here you can see that we have several options for this code. If you select different type of codes, you will see different options. It's the main feature of START-PROF. You don't see unnecessary options, only the options that is related to the job that you are working for. And now let's check which options we have. It's consider the T-branch flexibility, liberal stress allowable, should it be used or not, how to calculate the stress range. Also, START-PROF can use B31J, stress intensification, and K factors. It's very easy to use. You don't need to use any site software. You just select this option, and START will model all the T's and all reducers according to requirements of B31J. everything is done automatically. You can just check this option or uncheck it. Very easy. And several other options. Here you can set the installation temperature. Let it be 31 degrees. Here you can select the test temperature. Let's click OK. Now we create our first model. Let's create the first pipe. We have rigid element and pipe element. Let's add rigid pipe element and specify the properties of this pipe. For example, it will be 32 meters long. The diameter and wall thickness you can specify manually, or you can take it from database. Let me select the pipe shadow 40, this pipe. I click OK, and you can see the diameter and wall thickness fields are now filled. You can see mill tolerance, corrosion allowance, the material, pressure, temperature, test pressure, insulation weight. You can take the insulation weight from database, or you can specify the density of fluid and click OK. Now we have our first pipe. I will add the anchor on one end of the pipe and anchor on other end of the pipe. Then I add the node in the middle and add expansion loop 2 by 2 meters at this point. Here is the expansion loop. Now we can add the bands here. We have several types of bands. It's common bands, meter band, meter joint. It's 2 pipes connected without using the band. Non-standard band, where you can specify the SIF factor and flexibility factor. And long radius bands that is used for main pipelines. The radius of these bands is about 100 diameter and greater. I will select the common band, the long radius. Also, you can select one flange, 2 flanges, or no flanges. If you change this option, the SIF factor and flexibility factor will be different. I will choose no flanges. Now we can copy this band to clipboard and paste it in other nodes, just using Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Now I can save my model, and our model is ready to run analysis. I run analysis.